Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about the next step of optimizing your article to get to page 1. So we published the article, we started SEO optimizing it, and the next step is to add a title. So a catchy title can help you bring more traffic. So some experts claim that you should spend as much time working on your article as on your title, which I think is a little bit exaggeration, but you definitely need to spend some considerable amount of time working on the title. It is because it is a make or break for you whether someone clicks on your article when they see it in the search results. So the title is the first thing people see in the search results. When they search in Google and they see this meta title is your article title. So if it's not catchy, if it's not, if it doesn't prompt curiosity, if people don't feel like they need to click it, they need to find more, they will basically skip it to the next position. So definitely work on the title, put some effort into making it click-worthy, but do not use any clickbait techniques. And clickbait is this kind of using this kind of shocking tactics, such as using words that also feel almost feel irresistible to click, but they don't have anything to do with the content in the article. So don't use this kind of clickbait technique if they don't cover, if they don't really describe what's in the article, because you risk in a high bounce rate, which is basically when someone clicks on the article, is disappointed and clicks back, which actually will work against you because the bounce rate is very important for SEO. But as long as it's catchy, as long as it describes what's in the article, as long as it is not too long, so up to 65 characters, remember about it, so don't go over this character limit, you should be okay. But definitely put some effort into writing an article. A right technique that helped me is basically just putting down all of those possible titles that come to my head, putting them down, writing them down in the Word document, and then basically I found you have to get this rubbish out of your system, and after you create 20-30 different titles, you will actually start getting some really good ideas. So yeah, definitely spend at least one day working on a title. Write down anything that comes to your head. Don't think that it is silly, don't dismiss any idea, because it might lead to something much better. Another thing to remember is use numbers. Numbers really catch the attention. People love numbers, and that's why listicles such as 10 top tips or 10 top ways to do something is really popular way. So if your article is listicle, if your article is a guide, turn it into like numbered position, number list, and put the number in your title. That's another great way to get more clicks. So this is a tip: work on the article, work on a title almost as hard as on the article. And if you like this video, please click like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, and I'll see you in the next video. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.